All right, this next one is for you. I picked this one for you, Will. I know you're a huge
Right when I read the title.
You're a huge fan of this, so I want you to read the first word of this next headline.
Antutu.
Okay, all jokes
Great
aside,
name.
this is kind of news because I've been watching smartphone videos for a while, and this thing is a fixture. The benchmark application Antutu is like a thing that people use frequently. Maybe not as much anymore, but it's definitely got a history in the smartphone video game, of showcasing the performance of smartphone competitors. And then people got away from benchmarks more recently. The synthetic nature of them. People argue about how valid benchmark results are, but this benchmark app has been removed from the Play Store, and the company behind the benchmark app has responded. So apparently, Google Play, they started to get a little more skeptical, suspicious of this particular app because of the owner of the app, which was listed as a separate company, Cheetah Mobile. Google had gone in and removed a number of Cheetah Mobile applications that were on the Play Store as part of a crackdown, because apparently some of those applications weren't meeting their criteria for privacy and various other sketchy elements in their estimation. They have all kinds of rules, on the Play Store. And so this is sort of the latest aspect of that. And the company, Antutu, they're not happy about it. They're saying, no, we're not even really that affiliated with them. There's an official response here in the article. Antutu is not the related account of Cheetah Mobile. Cheetah Mobile has never touched our Google Play account, and Antutu has not done any promotion of Cheetah Mobile. They're trying to separate themselves from Cheetah Mobile completely. And they're asking that Google examine their account carefully to resolve the misunderstanding. But it's just an ask at this point. As it stands right now, it's down from the Play Store, and it can't be downloaded for the time being. Now, the reason, the affiliation, apparently, if you look at the latest available archive of the app, it will point to Cheetah Mobile's website, which they're stating is an indicator that it's likely owned by Cheetah Mobile. And apparently, Cheetah Mobile has years of policy violations. Now, I'm not familiar with Cheetah Mobile specifically, but obviously, I've used Antutu before, and I guess to some individuals, this could be seen as a bad thing, frequent users of the app, but you have to wonder. Let's just speculate that there was something nefarious going on in the background that Google didn't pick up on until now. You wonder what was being extracted within that benchmark application. What were they looking for? What was... assuming something nefarious is going on. Now, I don't know that that's the case, obviously, as it stands right now. And Antutu is saying, we're not even affiliated with them. But I know a lot of people who have used this app, and you have to wonder what kind of license, what kind of opportunity was granted once installed for this app or various other Cheetah Mobile apps. How they were peeking on you.
Oh, boy.
What they were, who knows what you've submitted to them. Well,
Yeah.
What they know about you.
I just give access to everything.
Everything. You just click yes to everything because you need to see those hot benchmark scores. Yeah. You say, my new smartphone's so fast. And you just, yep.
I just test it every hour.
So anyway, as it stands right now, it looks like they might be done. It might be a wrap for Antutu. Now, there are other benchmark apps out there. There's one called Geekbench, obviously. And Geekbench, I think they're based in Toronto, in fact. I once spoke to the founder or lead developer. I don't remember how it was we got in touch, but I obviously have much closer contact and know a little bit more about Geekbench than I do about Antutu. But nonetheless, the argument will still rage over whether or not these benchmarks serve a purpose or if it's just, what would you say, flexing?
Mm-hmm.
Smartphone flexing?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't know if that's what it is. Anyway, Will, that's it. That's it for me. I got nothing. There's nothing left here. You're looking at an empty tank right now.
Yeah.
An empty gas tank.
Yeah. It's a late one.
I need a refuel. We had no food talk today, which normally gets me through.
Well, we had
so I'm
durian.
thinking about dinner. We had no food talk.
We had durian.
Yeah, but you made it sound like it was inedible. I was like, I said,
Hey,
is it any good?
Okay.
And you're like, well, if you eat it on a full moon on a Tuesday in a freezer in Antarctica, it's beautiful. Jeez, man.
Yeah, well, we should try it.
What would
Or
you say?
actually,
What
you
would
should
you
try
say
it.
it smells like?
I don't want to go down there.
You don't want to go down there.
It's just a very strong fruit smell.
Jeez Louise. It's got intense real quick over here. Anyway.
Let's go to TNT. Grab.
All right, cool. That's dinner. Durian for dinner 2020. See you guys.